Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Bitrix24 Market and we'll see how to install the third-party application and also manage the access permission of the installed app. So stay tuned and by the end, you will have all the insights you need to know about the Bitrix24 Market. So let's begin. Market has been added in the application section in Bitrix24 on the left-hand side of the menu. Bitrix24 Market is a catalog of ready-made solutions that make Bitrix24 tools more powerful. With over 500 apps, it covers the widest range of needs. Integration with social network and messengers, chatbots and automation rules, site and online store template, industry-specific CRM and all these things, CRM solutions and all. So you just need to search the application, whatever application you need. Like for example, going here you can see the different types of application present, which handle various needs of the client like sales and for sales and CRM you have got 192 applications. Site and store you have got this. Integrations, different application and all these things present over here. So going let's go with the integration of application. So as you can see there are different application published on the Bitrix24 market catering to different needs of the employee. Here you can easily download the app. You can install it from here. Just need to select the mandatory agreements. So once the app has been installed, you can open the app. It has been integrated into your system directly. Also, after you install the app, here you have got different options. Like you can also contact the developer of this app. You can request a demo. If you don't know how to use the installed application, you can also request a demo from your user access. From here, you can select who all the employees can be given the access for using this application. Same goes with the different applications. You have got different application based on the solution that you're looking in the CRM or the task and project and whatever the module you are looking in the Bitrix24. So this is all about the Bitrix24 market. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.